One of the major challenges that we have within the Welsh media sector is diversity and inclusion. The Open Door initiative is tackling that head on. We are looking to bring in new entrants into the media sector from a lower social economic background, who are also predominantly Welsh speakers, to help diversify the Welsh sector. So without Media Cymru's support, the Open Door initiative would not be possible. They've been instrumental in terms of support, funding, and in terms of addressing a major challenge within the industry.
I feel the programme is innovative because it can be quite difficult finding local opportunities. I've had to travel to London quite a lot to just work a day here, a day there. So having a programme like this in Wales is incredible because it's giving us the opportunity and we're not having to make sacrifices in our personal lives to pursue our careers.
I think when people think of innovation or R&D, they immediately think technology. Innovation is about people and training and creating diversity within a sector, which ultimately will create edgier and more powerful programming.